Does sleeping at work sound to you like a dream job? Can you just sleep through almost anything? Do you think that being the best competitive sleeper in the country has it in you? If yes, you could win up to 10 lakhs. Let's know about that.
This video is only for information, not for the money-making tools. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money-making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the unique method of earning. Here you can earn 10 lakh Indian rupees for sleep. For more information, watch the video till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out. The I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is a sleep internship? What's curious about sleep? Sleep internship is a rare opportunity for people to apply for a paying job, where all that is required of them is intense, unperturbed sleep for 9 hours. Every night for a handsome amount of 100 nights in exchange. A group of super sleepers or enthusiastic sleepers will be chosen to be selected after a stringent selection system loaded with exciting challenges. India is a sleep champion engaged in the internship, engaging in challenges thrown your way every night. Track the sleep. How much benefit do you earn? A good sense of self-control when scrolling through social feeds, and the desire, even at a season finale level, to curb binge watching. You should be able to fall asleep 10 to 20 minutes after you touch the pillow or any flat surface for sleep. There should be a conducive lifestyle for sleep, no late night snacks, unnecessary caffeine or alcohol intake. A regimen of exercise is a bonus. A curiosity, with sleep tips at her fingertips, for all things sleep. A newfound tendency during virtual calls or meetings to fall asleep. A new dressing technique and staying 24/7 in pajamas, shorts, nightclothes. The candidate ideal in the modern normal of labor from the home way of life. The perfect candidate thrives. He enjoys a nap or two and finds a way to make his work life as cozy and relaxed as possible with constant access to his own room. They are adept at effective techniques for falling asleep in the shortest possible period. Equipment for the interns: receive a WakeFit mattress when picked. Each sleep intern is organized in a mode of monitoring and integration of an app. Location: from your own home's comfort. Fundamental qualifying: a history of falling asleep in a class is a beneficial experience during meetings and calls. Clear views of the bedroom and home aesthetics, and tricks and tips for building the ideal space for sleeping. An affinity to spend time away from computers, and can participate in activities that encourage good sleep, such as reading, listening to meditative music, and other unplugged activities. Motivation to sleep deeply and on all nights for the entire 9 hours, not just on weekends. She should know the nuanced advantages of a nap and the method of taking a siesta. A balanced understanding of dormitory goods and the related awareness of good sleeping features. Sleep and exercise patterns have to be monitored. A love of drinks and foods that sleep, like rice or chamomile. I hope you all really like this video, and if you get more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share your friends and press the bell icon for more updates. Good luck.